잘하시네요.
You're good at. You're good at math.
You're good at math.
수학을 잘하시네요.
You're good at this.
너 이거 잘하는구나.
You're good at this. You're good at golf.
You're good at golf.
골프를 잘 치시네요.
You're good at tennis.
테니스를 잘 치시네요.
You're good at tennis. You're good at driving.
You're good at driving.
운전 잘하시네요.
You're good at singing.
노래를 잘하시네요.
You're good at singing. You're good at cooking.
You're good at cooking.
요리를 잘하시네요.
You're good at English.
너는 영어를 잘한다.
You're good at English. You're good at swimming.
You're good at swimming.
수영을 잘하시네요.
You're good at gardening.
정원을 가꾸는데 재주있네요.
You're good at gardening. You're good at taking photos.
You're good at taking photos.
사진 잘 찍으시네요.
You're good at riding a horse.
말 잘 타시네요.
You're good at riding a horse. You're good at playing violin.
You're good at playing violin.
바이올린을 잘 연주하시네요.
You're good at a lot of things.
당신은 많은 것을 잘해요.
You're good at a lot of things. You're good at playing baseball.
You're good at playing baseball.
야구를 잘 하시네요.
You're good at using chopsticks.
젓가락질을 잘 하네요.
You're good at using chopsticks. You're good at drawing a picture.
You're good at drawing a picture.
너는 그림을 잘 그리는구나.
You're good at playing the piano.
당신은 피아노를 잘 치시네요.
You're good at playing the piano. You're good at this kind of thing.
You're good at this kind of thing.
당신은 이런 종류의 일을 잘하는군요.
You're good at dealing with children.
당신은 아이들을 잘 다루시네요.
You're good at dealing with children.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 꾹. 굿러닝 TV